Hi, welcome to our step-by-step guide to perfecting your Facebook profile. First things first, let's make sure your profile picture is top-notch. Choose an image that reflects your personality or showcase your interests. Secondly, it's crucial to fill in your basic details. Keep them accurate and up-to-date, including your name, location, and education. Now, onto your bio. This is where you showcase your personality, hobbies, and interests. Make it fun and engaging, but keep it professional. Next, add your work information and job titles. It's a great way to showcase your career path and connect with like-minded individuals. Don't forget to showcase your accomplishments or awards. It's a great addition to your profile that adds credibility and showcases your hard work. Lastly, make your profile interactive. Add featured photos, videos, and call to actions to keep your followers engaged. And there you go. Follow these simple steps and you're all set to perfect your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this one.